Kia ora te whānau, ko Troy Tokuingoa, currently working for TS Bricklayers. I'm the site supervisor. We do pretty much all the bricks in Auckland, with residential brickwork, commercial brickwork. We're just after fit, reliable workers to come and work for our company. You don't need no qualifications, we do that all on site. A labouring role to start off with, and then leading into apprenticeships for any keen workers that want to start. I reckon you can work anywhere in the world doing this trade, so if you want to jump in and become a bricklayer, any trade actually, building, plumbing, electrician, roofing, bricklaying, blocklaying, you can work anywhere in the world, so that's my encouragement. Check out all the Ngāti Whātua websites, pages, emails, wherever they're advertising this role, and get in contact with me or TS Bricklayers, and we'll go from there.